Hi, nice to see you. Come on in. My name's Anya, and for over 11 years I've been running the blog From Inspiration to Implementation, where I show my passion for interior decorations and DIY projects. Today, I want to show you my dream come true, which is a house in the countryside that I have decorated in a farmhouse style. As I'm fond of open spaces and bright interiors, my home is mainly made up of white walls and lots of wooden elements. I love textiles as they add coziness, light curtains, lots of wooden accessories. I enjoy bringing old things back to life. It happens quite often when I look at a piece of furniture and already know what it's going to look like. For the bathroom, I chose tiles from the Marmo d'Oro collection by the Tubądzin group. Basically, these tiles are made in a glamour style, but thanks to extra elements such as wood or the use of a skirting board, I've broken them up so they fit in perfectly with the farmhouse style. In the shower, I applied a large format tile. Its advantage is that there are no joints and that there can be one tile from floor to ceiling. This is the master bathroom, so I had to combine the functionality here. There's a bathtub and a shower. The curtains are unusual in the bathroom. I just wanted them as they bring coziness to the interior. In the small bathroom, which is located near the living area, we laid tiles resembling wood paneling from the Timeless collection by Maciej Zień. In the living room, like in the rest of the house, I used light colors. There are beiges, there are wicker and wooden accessories. I really like the combination of new and old, such as the glass display case, but I'm still very much in favor of the old look, like the sideboard, which reminds me of my childhood. My grandmother also had a wooden sideboard. I was eager to arrange the white porcelain here. All those bowls, plates and pots, it's all the things I really adore. The living room couldn't be left out of the wicker accessories that pop up in various parts of the house. They really warm up the interior. We knew when we were designing the house that it was important to have open spaces, and we achieved this with high ceilings and a consistent floor throughout the living area. I really wanted to leave the ceiling beams. It's not just a decoration, it's a structural element of the house. On the floor, there are wood-patterned tiles from the wood collection. They work great with underfloor heating in winter and are pleasantly cool in the summer. I love restoring old furniture. Here in the hallway, there's a wardrobe restored by myself. The brick in the vestibule is also my own work. I laid it from scratch, which I'm very proud of. In the garden, there's a tool shed, which I really like. On the surface, it wasn't quite what I wanted it to be, so I put a lot of effort into it, and now it looks just the way I had imagined it. A large sliding window connects our living room to the terrace, where we spend a lot of time in the summer. Here we have a dining and seating area. Thanks to the frost-resistant properties, I was able to use the same tiles in the living room and on the terrace. Thank you for popping in. It was a great pleasure. I hope I've inspired you to do things on your own in your homes and to combine the old with the new.